So it's Tuesday morning. We're getting ready to plant a bunch of trees today. We've been holding on to some trees to plant, a little Via de Vaca, a pine tree. This is the one we used for Christmas. And some other plants. I don't know the names of all of them, but we got to clear out some spaces and trying to design where exactly to put them. But we're wanting to put one right where this giant stack of weeds is. It started as a little pile of weeds, and if you leave a pile of weeds around, it'll turn into a little den. So I'm gonna try to hack at it for a while, get rid of it. I'm pretty sure there's a little fire ant hill inside and who knows what else. So that's our little project today.